Moderna has filed patent infringement lawsuits against both Pfizer and its partner in its vaccine, BioNTech, in the U.S. District Court for the District of Massachusetts, as well as in Germany. Moderna believes Pfizer and BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine infringes patents Moderna filed between 2010 and 2016, Jim. You had told me when we had an opportunity briefly during the break that you had some thoughts on this. So share them.
Yes. I think that, first of all, a lot of what is in place here was things that Stefan Bancel, is a frequent guest of CNBC, had created between 2010 and 2016. And out of nowhere, perhaps, BioNTech had the same technology. They did not cooperate at all, so it's not like one took the others. Notice they did not go retrospective. Moderna's not trying to, let's say, throw a monkey wrench into all the incredible work that they've done, and as has BioNTech Pfizer with the actual pandemic. However, David, going forward, Bancel has spoken many times about personal cancer vaccines, say, using mRNA.
Right. And what they're trying about the CEO of Moderna.
Yeah, and what they're trying to do is put an end to the idea that this lack of cooperating, they're not cooperating, but this stop. They are not asking for an injunction. They are hoping perhaps maybe to get a chunk of money when Pfizer continues, if they do, to abuse or use the technology that mRNA...
These things can typically take a very long time to wind through the courts if they even get there.
Right. But it's
obviously Pfizer's vaccine and its antiviral Paxlovid, despite a lot of rebound infections, have contributed to an enormous revenue boost for Pfizer.
Right.
And, we've talked a lot about that, how they're using those newfound profits to potentially diversify some of their pipeline with various acquisitions. Is this really a threat to them?
Yes, absolutely. And this is quite shocking, actually. I think there are a lot of people who felt that these are two companies get along well, have a terrific relationship, share data. No, there was nothing to be shared here. And from all I can tell, we don't have Dr. Borla sitting here, and I wish we did at the time, right now. But that Moderna, shockingly, is concerned that they're going to lose everything they have. And I met Stefan. He cornered me at the J.P. Morgan conference and talked exactly about the kind of mRNA vaccines that he's now ready to tee off. And I'm sure that he's concerned that BioNTech will borrow that technology. I picked a word that I thought was very neutral.